my name is Ania. I come from Germany and Poland, and I'm currently on Mallorca. I am a multi-passionate person with a lot of projects, always starting new things. A project is a creative platform for not typically creative people. Just sparked the joy of a more creative life, and I thought it would be a very nice idea to come to a co-living space. I'm slow traveling, looking for a new place to stay for a while and connecting with people, and I decided to try out Mallorca just because it comes with a network of people, with a community, and that was what I was looking for. So the workshop was very interesting to me. It spoke about visibility, but it also spoke about being clear with your message. And this workshop made me realize that I can also put in a little bit more personality into it and share a little bit more, and not just this one topic that I decided that the business would focus on. It's been a really great journey for me. I really love doing it.